Hello, everyone, and welcome to EzeeFrench, your fun podcast to learn French the easy way. I'm your tutor, and today, in Lesson 13, we're learning how to make negative sentences in French. It's super easy. You just put ne, pas around the verb. For example, je parle français means I speak French. In negative, it's je ne parle pas français. I don't speak French. Ready? Allons-y. That means let's go. If you're new, please subscribe to get all our lessons. Let's start with the basic formula for negatives in French. It's ne plus the verb plus pas. Think of it like a sandwich. The verb is in the middle, with ne and pas as the bread. Listen to this. Je parle français. I speak French. Now negative, je ne parle pas français. I don't speak French. Repeat after me. Je ne parle pas français. One more time. Je ne parle pas français. Another example. Il est heureux. He is happy. Negative. Il n'est pas heureux. He isn't happy. Repeat. Il n'est pas heureux. Quick tip. If the verb starts with a vowel, like a or a, ne becomes n. For example, il a un livre. He has a book. Negative, il n'a pas de livre. He doesn't have a book. Repeat, il n'a pas de livre. Great job! Now let's learn other ways to say no in French. It's the same idea. Ne before the verb and another word after. First, ne jamais means never. Example, je ne regarde jamais la télé. I never watch TV. Repeat slowly. Je ne regarde jamais la télé. Next, ne rien means nothing. Example, je ne vois rien. I see nothing. Repeat. Je ne vois rien. Finally, ne plus means no longer or not anymore. Example, elle ne travaille plus ici. She doesn't work here anymore. Repeat. Elle ne travaille plus ici. Let's put these negatives into real-life situations. Imagine you're chatting with a friend. J'aime le chocolat. I like chocolate. Negative, je n'aime pas le chocolat. I don't like chocolate. Repeat, je n'aime pas le chocolat. Tu as un chien? Do you have a dog? Answer, non, je n'ai pas de chien. No, I don't have a dog. Repeat, je n'ai pas de chien. Nous regardons la télé. We watch TV. Negative, nous ne regardons jamais la télé. We never watch TV. Repeat, nous ne regardons jamais la télé. Watch out for common mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1, forgetting ne. Saying je pas parle is wrong. Correct, je ne parle pas. I don't speak. Repeat, je ne parle pas. Mistake 2, saying je ne suis pas faim for I'm not hungry is wrong. In French, you say avoir faim, so it's je n'ai pas faim. Repeat, je n'ai pas faim. Time to practice. Repeat after me to practice the verb parler, to speak, in negative. Je ne parle pas. Tu ne parles pas. Nous ne parlons pas. Now, change these sentences to negative. Sentence, j'ai un livre. I have a book. Answer, je n'ai pas de livre. I don't have a book. Repeat, je n'ai pas de livre. Sentence, elle est heureuse. She is happy. Answer, elle n'est pas heureuse. She isn't happy. Repeat, elle n'est pas heureuse. Translate to French, I don't like coffee. Answer, je n'aime pas le café. Repeat, je n'aime pas le café. He never studies. Answer, il n'étudie jamais. Repeat, il n'étudie jamais. Let's make it fun with a mini role play. I'm Jeanne and you're Marie. Repeat Marie's lines after me. Jeanne, tu aimes le cinéma? Do you like cinema? Marie, non, je n'aime pas le cinéma. Je préfère la musique. Repeat, non, je n'aime pas le cinéma. Je préfère la musique. Jeanne, vraiment? Tu ne vas jamais au cinéma? Really? You never go to the cinema? Marie, non, je ne vais jamais au cinéma. Repeat, non, je ne vais jamais au cinéma. Great job! You learned how to make negative sentences. You know ne, pas, jamais, and plus. Your homework: write 2 negative sentences in the comments of this episode. For example, je n'aime pas la télé. Je ne travaille jamais le dimanche. That means, I don't like TV, I never work on Sunday. That's it for Lesson 13 of Easy French. If you enjoyed this, please give us a like and subscribe to the podcast. Turn on the notification bell to catch our next episodes. Thank you for listening, and see you soon for Lesson 14. Au revoir et bonne pratique!